One of my subscribers asked, have you done a video on how to put timestamps in the description of a video? So Phil, this video is for you. Adding timestamps to your videos looks like this on YouTube. You want to add timestamps like this when you're sharing something like a list or a step-by-step tutorial where people can just go ahead and get right to what they want to know. This is how to add timestamps in your YouTube description. Alright, we're going to edit the video, and then inside the description you want to go ahead and just pick the timestamps that you want to highlight. Now I'm going to put in a few things that I know are not right so that I can show you why you don't want to do this, and then I'll show you what happens after you save it. So if you have a list or if you have, a step-by-step thing and you want people to be able to go to that part of the video, go ahead and add in your timestamps right here and then hit save, and then let's see what it looks like on the other side. Okay, so on your computer you will see these blue highlighted links and you can click on them. Now for this one, for 22 seconds, I have a 0 and then a colon and then 22. But then below that, I just put 22 after the colon and it's not clickable. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're making these. And then what people can do is that they can just click on them. Now I also made one for 11:30, even though I knew the video stopped at 7:20. And oddly enough, I think it just takes you to the beginning of the video. So, just keep that in mind when you're adding timestamps into your videos. This is what happens when you click on them. It just goes straight to that timestamp on your video. You can have fun with this. It's a really great way to have people click around on your video and engage with your video. So definitely try it out. Now, one thing to note is that if you're on your mobile device, you won't be able to click on the timestamps. So just be aware of that when you're on your mobile. The best way to do it is to just slide the little play bar to that exact time and watch it from there. If you're wondering what else you should put in the description on YouTube, check out my video on that. And I also have a free template. I'm wondering, do you use timestamps in the description on your videos? Let me know why or why not in the comments below. And a big thank you to my action takers.